Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So today I will be doing this eye makeup look. This is a very soft eye makeup look which I have created today. There will be a little bit of problem with the lighting because I'm doing it on natural light and Surya Devta is playing hide and seek, so sometimes it's becoming cloudy, sometimes it's becoming sunny, so yeah, there will be a little bit of difference of the lights, so pardon that. So coming back to the tutorial, this look is very pretty and subtle. I will today just only show you the eye makeup and everything I will be doing it off camera. So without delaying, let's get started. So first we will start off with priming our eyelids. We'll set it with our compact powder that I use, this one, Color Essence. Okay. Now I will take my cello tape, little bit. Then we'll stick it here. Now what I will do, I will take a transition shade and I will use today a compact powder which is not my shade, a little bit darker for my skin tone. So I will use that on my transition, on my crease as a transition shade. So I'm taking this and a brush, fluffy brush, and now I will just use it here. Another fluffy brush, and then I will take my Bahama Mama bronzer, this brown shade, and will apply right under the transition shade that is here, and we'll take it till inside here and then here. Today's eye makeup is a little bit, it's easy, but then it takes time. You have to be very patient with it. Otherwise, it's very easy. Just be light-handed and a little more patience. Don't hold your brush too close, okay? Just hold it a bit far away. Now, I'm happy with the intensity. If I want a little more, later I will see how much I want. But I think that's okay. So the next step is taking your brown pencil. I'm taking this EYECONIC brown pencil, and then I will line my eyes half. I'm not taking it to the corner of my eyes. I'll just go halfway and draw little bit. You don't have to be perfect. Just here, and then you can little bit drag it here, very light-handed, not too much crazy. See, here also I've done little bit and then diffused it in the inner parts. So I will just bring it till here. Okay, now we'll take a very precise brush. I will just smudge it a little bit. Just see what I am doing because it's hard to explain sometimes. So we'll take the Bahama Mama color bronzer one and we'll blend it with the brown pencil eyeliner. You can see there is no harsh line, it's properly blended, but still you can see there is color, the brown color. Next part is we will take a black eyeshadow. I am taking today this MASCARA pan, and in an angular brush or a flat brush, take it, tap off the excess, and now just on the lash line, close to your lash line, put the color. Now again I will take that brown eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, this bronzer, and we'll blend it. Blend the black with little bit of the brown. I'm taking a little bit of brown again, and we'll just apply it here. And tada! We are done. Now what I will do, I will just peel off this color, this tape. Now see, we got a little sharp wing. Okay, and now the rest things are to be done. I will highlight my inner corners. On the lower lash line, we'll just apply this brown. Nothing too much is going on my lower lash line. I will bring it halfway, just the way I did on my upper lash line. And now I will blend it. Take a little bit of brown shadow or anything, and then blend it here as well with the eyeliner. Curling lashes makes a huge difference. One more thing is left, I forgot. On the eyelids here, you can apply a little any kind of nude shade. Okay, you can use any kind of nude shade. So I'm using this nude shade from Nude Palette, Maybelline, and we'll just use it on my from inner corner till here, and we'll just try to blend it with the other colors. I'm feeling like putting a nude color on my waterline, lower waterline. Now lipstick time. So as you know that I said that I will be giving you 3 options. So I have a brown, a red, and wine and shine. So I'll just wear 3 of them, and you are going to tell me which color is going best with this eye makeup on me. You have to comment down below. Okay, so I will start off with red. So my video has come to an end over here, and I really hope that you will be liking soft eye makeup look, and you can do it on the daytime preferably. This also helps those who can't wear liquid eyeliner perfectly. So people can try out with eyeshadow. like this. This is app for like now weddings are going on. So if you do try this, then please do tag me in my Instagram profile, that is Bewidshree, that will be on the screen. And when you upload the picture, you should use hashtag Bewidshree. That is it for today. So I will see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.